Hello everyone, let me introduce you next. Our large-scale grounding resistance tester. Here, you can see a basic panel. Here are two current piles, and two voltage piles. If a current pile, here is CR and peer to our geodesic network. Here you can see a drawing. And here is our voltage electrode, and our current pole. Which are the two ground piles outside? Which are the two ground piles here? Need to hit the diagonal of our grounding grid about 3 times as much as one location. According to national regulations. Okay, let's turn on the power switch. This is the interface for data transmission and the print module, and an emergency stop button. After we turn on the power, here we have our ground grid impedance and contact potential, step voltage, and soil resistivity. We can take a look. And that's one of our impedances. The impedance is the same as this wiring method, and now, the tail end is equipped with a resistor, approximately 1.5 ohms. Then we will conduct a test. Then we test the current. We can select parameters through the test, and select the current. 0.5 amps or 0.7 amps are both acceptable for us, according to the different places you are testing, to make a choice. Okay, let's save it. Click again. To test, long press to test. And while testing, I will also explain, before the instrument starts the test, we need a reliable grounding. Okay, the test is completed. This is our grounding impedance. We can choose to print. The value we tested will appear here. This is our grounding impedance. And the test information is on it. Okay, a few other tests here. A contact potential. This is based on one of our sites, for example, cabinets, etc., to measure one of its contact potentials. And step voltage. It is also a test in the venue. There is also a soil resistivity. The soil resistivity. It uses the current and voltage to the center point. This is the center point. The distance between our P1 and P2 here is 5 meters. The interval between P2 and C2 is also 5 meters. We do the same here. And the depth should be kept consistent. Oh. You can see one of our data here. Okay, the instrument introduction is complete.